Good morning, Tunisian Crochet Grafgan Boutique. Today I will be showing how to do the Tunisian Puff Stitch. I'm doing a bobble stitch blanket and have been asked to show this. This is the method that I like. My bobbles are nice. They're rounded and I think this looks better for what I'm doing. I needed the 9 stitches in the background. Now to complete the stitch to make the bobble, I'm using a puff stitch. You will go under and cast on the 1. Then we're going to yarn over and go through the stitch and pull up a loop 3 times. So we're going to yarn over, go under that stitch 1, 2, and 3. Now we have 7 loops on our hook. We are going to yarn over and pull through all 7 of those. You are going to yarn over and pull through and pull your bobble forward. When you look at it, you can see this is the stitch that we used, that we went into. This is your next stitch. You will need to pay close attention to where you're